Child found abandoned at school in Kingston. Call center worker stabbed to death by alleged gangster in St. Ann. St. Catherine woman found dead at home with head bashed in. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Halfway Tree Police are seeking the public's assistance to locate the parents and/or guardian of a little girl who was allegedly left abandoned at her school on Spanish Town Road, Kingston 11. The child, who is believed to be about 4 years old, gave her name as Amelia Nelson from Spanish Town Road. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of the parents and/or guardian of this child is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8184, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. The St. Ann police are reporting the stabbing death of a man by an alleged gang in the parish on Friday morning. The deceased has been identified as 21-year-old Andre McDonald, a call center worker of Tyrese District, Brownstown in the parish. The Spanish Town Police have launched an investigation into the death of 56-year-old Nicola Ogilvy of Whitewater Meadows Housing Scheme in St. Catherine. Ogilvy, who was an animal groomer, was reportedly found at home by relatives about 10 a.m. Thursday. More details to come following further investigations.